8 Carry-On Luggage 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 8. Lightweight Airline Approved Carry-On Spinners. Tired of travel hassles? Our lightweight Airline Approved Carry-On Spinner is your perfect companion for effortless journeys. Meticulously designed to meet most airline cabin restrictions, 22 by 9 by 14 inch, 7.6 pounds, it ensures a stress-free boarding experience every time. Glide effortlessly with its durable, water-resistant polyester shell and ultra-smooth, silent 360 degrees spinner wheels, while the stable, adjustable handle makes maneuvering a breeze. Business travelers will appreciate the quick-access front laptop compartment for a 15.6-foot device. Inside, smart packing features like bonus storage bags and a wet compartment keep everything organized and protected. This isn't just luggage, it's a seamlessly organized travel solution, crafted for efficiency and peace of mind on every adventure. Number 7. Expandable Hardside Carry-On with Hidden Cup Holder. Meet your ultimate travel companion, the Kono Expandable Hardside Carry-On. Designed for modern adventurers, its hidden cup holder keeps drinks secure and hands-free, making airport navigation effortless. Crafted from resilient polypropylene, this lightweight suitcase offers superior scratch and impact resistance, protecting essentials for 3 to 5 day trips. Glide effortlessly with smooth dual spinner wheels and a telescoping handle. An integrated TSA lock ensures peace of mind. Need extra space? Its 20% expandable design, with dependable YKK zippers, provides flexible packing, complemented by a smartly organized interior. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 6. Hardshell Expandable Spinner Carry-On Luggage. Elevate your journey with our Hardshell Expandable Spinner Carry-On Luggage Set, your complete and reliable travel solution. This perfectly coordinated 3-piece collection, featuring an airline-approved 20-inch carry-on, practical duffel, and essential toiletry bag, ensures you're always prepared for any trip. Discover unmatched flexibility with our clever expandable design, offering 25% more packing capacity for those unexpected treasures or souvenirs. Navigate effortlessly through bustling terminals thanks to ultra-smooth 360 degrees spinner wheels and enjoy tailored comfort with the 4-level adjustable handle. Engineered from 100% resilient, crack-resistant polypropylene, your valuables receive superior, unyielding protection. With a built-in digital lock, security is seamless. Experience stress-free travel, packed with ultimate confidence. Number 5. Airline Approved Carry-On, Lightweight Spinner Suitcase. All API keys exhausted. Unable to generate description. Number 4. Hardshell 3-piece carry-on luggage set with backpack and spinners. Elevate your travel experience with our Hardshell 3-piece carry-on set. This meticulously designed 3-in-1 system includes an airline-approved 20-inch spinner suitcase, a feature-rich 36L professional backpack, and a handy packing cube, perfect for any business trip or quick getaway. The smart backpack keeps you powered and secure with a dedicated 15-inch laptop compartment, anti-theft pocket, and integrated USB charger. Glide through terminals effortlessly thanks to the suitcase's silent 360 degrees spinner wheels and adjustable telescopic handle. Crafted from scratch-resistant, military-grade ABS, this ultralight carry-on ensures your belongings are protected trip after trip. Plus, enjoy optimized interior space with cross-compression straps for ultimate organization. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 3. 20-inch expandable carry-on luggage. Redefine your travel with our 20-inch expandable carry-on luggage, engineered for smart travelers. Gain 10% extra space with a simple zipper expansion, perfect for souvenirs or longer escapes. Breeze through security using the innovative front pocket, keeping your 15.6-inch laptop, documents, and essentials easily accessible without opening the main compartment. Glide effortlessly with 360 degrees silent swivel wheels and a robust, 3-stage aluminum handle. Travel with peace of mind. Our dual-control TSA-approved lock secures both main and front pockets separately. A durable polycarbonate hardshell protects belongings, while thoughtful mesh pockets and a wet bag ensure meticulous organization. This is your ultimate travel companion. Number 2. Lightweight Softside Rolling Carry-On with TSA Lock. Experience truly seamless travel with our lightweight Softside Rolling Carry-On, meticulously designed for the modern explorer. This 6.7-pound marvel fits effortlessly into overhead bins across major airlines, making gate checks a thing of the past. Ingeniously crafted, it features a dedicated external laptop compartment for lightning-fast security checks and quick access to essentials like boarding passes and water bottles. Inside, a spacious 45L main compartment with smart dry/wet separation keeps your belongings perfectly organized for 2 to 5 day trips. Glide through terminals on robust, quiet double spinner wheels and enjoy peace of mind with the integrated TSA-approved lock. This carry-on isn't just luggage, it's your stress-free travel companion. Number 1. 3-piece expandable hardshell carry-on set. Elevate your travel experience with the Naija 3-piece expandable hardshell carry-on set, your ultimate companion for effortless journeys. This comprehensive collection features an airline-approved carry-on, a versatile duffel, and a toiletry bag, perfectly equipping you for any trip. Glide through airports with unparalleled ease thanks to the smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, making crowded terminals a breeze. Your belongings stay secure with the integrated TSA-approved lock, offering peace of mind. The robust ABS Plus PC hardshell not only protects against impacts and scratches but also expands to provide 20% extra packing space. With a sturdy, adjustable telescopic handle, comfort and control are always at your fingertips. Travel smarter, travel further. So, that sums up my 8 carry-on luggage. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.